Enrolling a student to classes. You can enroll students into a class in two ways. Either from within the student, and enrolling them into one or more classes. Or from within the class, and enrolling one or more students to the class. This tutorial will explain the first way, how to enroll a specific student to one or more classes. For detailed instructions for the other method, of enrolling one or more students to a specific class, see the appropriate help tutorial, in the class section. To enroll a specific student to their classes, select Students from the main menu. And then select the desired student. If you don't see the desired student, select the proper filters, including year, semester, track, and enrollment status. For more information on locating students, see the appropriate help tutorial, in the Student section. After selecting the desired student, select the Students Classes menu. The list of available classes will be displayed on this page. If you can't locate a class, select the proper filters, including the year, semester, and track. And then set the enrollment filter to show all classes. When the enrollment filter is set to enrolled, it will filter the list to the classes which the student is enrolled to, and hide the classes which the student is not enrolled to. In this case, the student is not enrolled to any classes, so nothing will be displayed until you set the filter to show all classes. This filter has a cookie which will remember your choice for the next time you go into a student's classes page. When the enrollment filter is set to unenrolled, it will filter the list to the classes which the student is not enrolled to, and hide the classes which the student is enrolled to. Setting the filter to all classes will display all of the classes, both to which the student is enrolled to, and not enrolled to. If you still can't locate a class, make sure that the student is registered to the same semester as that class. As this list will only show classes, of the same semesters, as those which the student is registered to. To register the student to a semester, select the Student menu, Program. Then select the desired semesters. And finally, select Save. To enroll a student to a class, select the checkbox next to that class. You can also filter the list by track, which will hide all of the other tracks classes, and then use the Select All checkbox, to enroll the student to all of the classes in their track. Please note that a student of any track can enroll into classes of any track. Finally, select Save to save your changes.